Hey guys, it's Dmitry here, and I would like to discuss about another course I'm planning to, create, and it's going to be one of the series of new courses, and this course is going to be specifically focused on React.js library. So essentially, it's going to be I'm planning to create a project application like front-end application from scratch, just going to stay focused on the front, like on the actual library. So I'm going to utilize the latest technologies of React.js, which is React hooks, and probably mob. Probably I'm not going to use Redux. We will see. Or maybe going to use it. It depends, because in case of React.js, there are so many tools that we can use instead of Redux, and yeah. So anyway, in general, I think the idea is just create a fully functional front-end application from scratch and try to, I will try to explain all the standard methods that we're going to use in order to create like functions in case of hooks, or sometimes we still have to use classes, right? But I think like nowadays, the thing is, in case of classes, probably we don't even need to use them at all. That's my understanding and from my experience. But I think I still would like to show you guys the alternative to hooks, that how we did stuff before, which is we use classes. And yeah, would like to show the like different life cycle methods in case of classes versus hooks, and would like to show that what the benefits of using hooks compared to classes, that it's much neater approach. And in general, guys, yeah, we're going to discuss about all of that in this series or in this course. I'm really excited for this course, guys, and see you soon, guys. See you in next tutorials. And yeah, feel free to text me. Feel free to give me any feedback on, like, maybe you would like me to cover any specific subtopics related to React.js library, or anyway, in general, if going to watch, if you're already watching some of my tutorials, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like this video if you think this new upcoming series of tutorials is going to be useful for you as a, I don't know, if you're a front-end developer or if you're a full-stack developer. I think in any case, web developers can benefit from these tutorials or from this course, because React.js nowadays it's really booming, and I understand why, because it's really useful and convenient library to work with. I'm in love, to be honest with you. I'm in love with React.js, and yeah, I'm really excited for this course. Okay, have a lovely day, guys, and see you soon. Goodbye.